how to fix login issues with FanDuel. If you're having issues logging into your FanDuel Sportsbook application, it could be happening due to many reasons. First of all, you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is working just fine. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Now, if you're using an Android device, you can long press the FanDuel Sportsbook application, tap on the eye icon to come to the app info page, which will take you to the app information page. If you're on iPhone, you have to simply offload the app. From here, go to storage, clear the cache files and make sure to clear the data. And then you can just come back to your FanDuel Play Store and check if the app is updated to the latest version. Even after you do all this, you're still not being able to log in, then chances are simply that your credentials are incorrect. So you want to reopen the FanDuel application and make sure that every details that you provide is actually correct over here, which could be your login information and your recovery details. In case you happen to forget your password, after the FanDuel app opens up, you can go to forgotten password section, and from there you'll be able to reset it. That's all it takes for us to fix login issues with FanDuel. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.